Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are good. As we are about to complete our chapter number 3, that is subtraction. So, today we will just discuss this question of mental maths, and after discussing this, you will just solve the sums that I'll be giving you. So, let us start. Here you can see you have a grid, right, in which counting is written from 1 to 100. Each and every number from 1 to 100 is written, and on the basis of this grid you have to solve the questions that are given. Means you have to tell that where you will reach after moving left or right or upward or backward. So you have to just see. Now you can see that here we have a question in which it is given that choose a number, say 35. Means we have the number 35. Now all these three parts that you can see will move around this number, and that is 35. And to solve this we have these two tips also. One is given by this caterpillar, and one is this given by this boy. So let us read it first. Now this caterpillar is saying that to add once move forward and to subtract once move back. Means if you have to add, then you have to move forward आगे की side, and if you are to subtract once, then you will move back. Means you will just count your back counting. And this boy is thinking that to add tens move down and to subtract tens move up. Means if you are to add tens, then you are to move down, and if you want to subtract tens, then you will move up. Now you can see here we have the tips of forward and to move back. Similarly for tens, for addition of tens and for subtraction of tens also. So now let us move towards the question which we have read, and that is to choose a number, say 35. Now we have the number 35, and we will just discuss all these parts now. In this, your A part is 1 less than 35. Move back one box. 35, you search for 35 in this box. Here you have 35. You have to tell 1 less than 35. So where you will go? You will just move towards 34. So when you will move back, you reach 34. So similarly you have to just reply all the parts that are given here. Move towards the B part, and that is 4 more than 35. Move forward 4 boxes you reach. Means 4 more than 35. Now go 35 and move forward 4 boxes. So after 35 you can see here I have 36, 37, 38 and 39. 39 is the fourth box. So our answer here will be 39. Means when we move forward 4 boxes we reach 39. Now move towards the last C part of this question, which is 10 less than 35. Now we have to go move up one box. You reach. Now what you have to do? You have to do 10 less than 35 na. And in subtraction we have seen that if we are to subtract 10, then what we will do, our digit which is given at the tens place will be decreased by 1. So if here you have 35 and you will just subtract 1 from the digit that is at the tens place, you will get the answer, and that is 25. And this you can see here also, right? If you are to just subtract 10 tens, the rule we have learnt, like you are to move up. So on the upper side you can see 25, right? So on above 35 there is 25. So here your answer is 25. Now Next, again some parts are given here. By using this number grid, you have to find out 5 more than 46, means you will move forward, right? 6 less than 84. So here what you will do, you will just move back, right? Because more is stands for plus and less stands for minus. Again in C part, 5 more than 66 means 66 plus 5, that means you have to move forward. And in D part you can see you have 10 more than 37, again you are to move forward, or it is 10. So if you have tens, then what you will do, you will just go downwards. So like 37 plus 10, you will get 47. Move down, right? You have just learned it now. What you have to do, move forward, move back, move up, move down, right? And in E, 5 less than 37 means just subtract 5 from 37, and in F part you will just add. So basically to I'm just giving you this question only, these 6 parts, to just write down the answers in the boxes by with the help of this grid, right? But you are to just keep in your mind these two things, that if you add once, move forward; if you subtract once, move back; to add tens, move down; to subtract tens, move up. Means if you have 10 now, so you can just directly move down if you are to add, and if you are to subtract tens, then you will move towards the upper side. I hope this grid is clear to everyone. So now just have a look on this grid carefully and solve these 6 parts that I'll be sending you, and just write down in a good hand, make proper digit formation, and after that write down your answers, revise it, check it, and then send your answers to me. Thank you kids, have a nice day.